NCLEX question of the day. These questions come from my free test bank. If you're interested, go to the Bink and Lio. All right, so the nurse is changing the ties of a client with a tracheostomy. The safest method of changing the tracheostomy ties is to blank. Always reread that last sentence over and over and over. The safest method to changing the ties is to what? Apply the new tie before removing the old one, have a helper present, hold the tracheostomy with the non-dominant hand and then remove the old tie, or ask the doctor to just suture it in place because you're sick of changing the ties. Think about it. Write your answer in the comments. Let's see what the right answer is. I won't make you wait. A! Yes, the safest is to leave the old one on, put the new ones, and then take the old one off. Usually they go through the little straps of the tracheostomy and they're like Velcro. Some of them still have ties, but we've updated and they're mostly Velcro. So that is the safest way to do it. Having a helper is great, fantastic. Having it sutured in, sometimes they are, that's great. But the safest way always is to do it that way. I hope this helps.